Hi, my name is Jim Carson. I'm the dealer principal at Blackstock Ford Lincoln in Orangeville. We've been installing air design accessories since 2015. In this video, the tutorial, we're going to show you on how to install all of the parts that Air Design through Ford Accessories, licensed accessories, has available for the Bronco. But I really want to stress some important aspects of the install that we've learned along the way. Of course, read the instructions, but surprised how many people don't. Cleaning and prepping the surface so there's no wax, oil, or grease that's left, so that the high-tech adhesives such as the 3M tape and the 3M urethane on the hood scoop and the side pieces are going to provide that clean surface, going to provide a proper surface to bond. And it's critical to use the correct amount. That's a 1/4 inch bead, the thickness of a pencil. Make sure you don't block any of the water drain gaps that are put in there. It's all in the instructions. Follow, you'll have no problem, but follow those steps. Really important, gotta stress, clean the surface, use enough urethane, take your time, line it up, use your tips and tricks in the manual to get the parts lined up properly, because if you don't install them the first time, it's gonna be a real problem for you. So take your time, do it right, use the urethane, your customers will have no trouble whatsoever.